You should learn how to develop your character so that the child in you will not rule over the man in you. Every human has a child and a man in him. It is when the child in you begin to control the man at a certain age, they will ask you questions like, why are you behaving like this? Are you a child? He is not. He just allowed the child in him to be dictating for the man what to do. There is a man and a child in every human, no matter his age. So once the child in you live above the man, trouble set in. Because children does not brush teeth until you ask them to brush. They won't shower until you ask them to shower. They won't even change their dirty clothes unless you ask them to change. So when the child in you begin to control the man in you, you start waiting on pastor to tell you to fast, even when you are going through trouble. And the pastor say, go and fast. I saw danger, you won't fast. Because as a child, you wouldn't even know you are hurting. If you allow children, they will play from morning to evening. But adults will not do that. When you are still a child, they will tell you to fast. Even though you know that fasting and prayer will solve your problem. You wait first. You will not even handle your problems until someone says to you, handle it. Because the child is controlling the man, right? When the child in you controls, it makes you do some silly things. They call it silly things, naughty things. Children are not foolish, they are naughty. A husband and wife that allow the children to rule, the family will go down the deep. They won't even hold and pray or search for a book to learn what to do now. Maybe you have prayed enough. Now locate a book to teach you what to do next. There is always something to do next. Don't be conversant with only natural things. After eating, you drink water. That's natural things. So Paul said, when you were a child, there are some thinking, there are some behavior, some act, and there are some thoughts in your head because you're a child. So once you grow, he said you will do away with those childish things. Waiting for pastor to give you prayer when you see that your life is not going well. You should have started fasting, even with food in your fridge, to counter those things. Because pastor has taught you that fasting and prayer works. So you do away with childish things, meaning when you are waiting, you should know things to be doing to attract what you are waiting for. You don't wait for governor and be playing with sand. We are waiting for the governor, he never comes. You need to keep yourself composed. Peradventure, if he's coming this minute. So as a man, an adult, if you carry a child in waiting for the governor, you watch them playing somewhere. Because they act like a child or like children. So they will be playing while you will be composing yourself. Where's Junior? Hey, stop letting your clothes. You compose yourself again. Even if you're the face, you just put small smile. Because governor, the reason you are angry with God is because the value of what you're waiting for is too small. You have waited above the value. You don't know the value of what you're waiting for. Children don't know value of things. One symbol of adults is to know the value of something. And one type of children is not to know value of something. The question should be now, do you know your value? Do you know your value? What you want? Do you know the value of what you carry? If you know the value of what you carry, you should protect it. That devil will not come and take it from you. So, between the time you are waiting for God, you are loving God, and the time the things start manifesting material things. Because you might not even believe that not all the giving you gave in the kingdom bring material things. Some of the giving you gave is just to give you courage to keep waiting. But not all multiparts is tired. Not all of them shock observer. Not all of them do. All of them have different functions. But all of them are making the car to all the motor parts are differs in their names and their functions. But anyone that is lacking will show. So most of giving you do is to give you courage to keep on going. When others are growing weak, something will tell you, keep on going. Keep on going. That is grace. Most of the time when I give to the kingdom, I say, God, I need my prophetic voice to be powered. When I speak word, confirm it. That's what I need. Because I know the best thing to ask. Because I know when that one happens, I wouldn't need to pray for material things again. But when I labor in people's life in spiritual things, they will give me a return material things. It's normal with human. So when I minister to spiritual things in a very powerful dimension at the class of grace God gave me, I don't need to pray for material things. If I do it right, things happening right come to me. You need to be waiting and behaving maturely. And how do we grow? You grow by experience. Your father in the place might argue size of airplane. One old woman said to the son came back from China, and they want to go and bring a son from airport. The son has children already that are driving. They want to go and pick their father from airport. Their grandma said to them, I'm not going with you people. This night, 1 o'clock. Not going anywhere. I've told this boy to stop entering night bus. You know they hear. The woman refused to go anywhere. In Pekin, enter night bus. This in Pekin has children that are driving car in Lagos. The woman was a businesswoman who traveled from Lagos east to Lagos to buy goods at that time. So he warned the son not to enter. Now the woman is old. The son has married, have grown-up children who have finished university, managed their business. I warned him not to enter the night bus. They said, but mama, that plane doesn't know. He said, don't tell me anything. You're a small boy. What adults sit down to see? Children would. The woman refused to go to the airport. He refused. The man came back. The old man came back. He chose to go to the airport. Said, you are still becoming stubborn every day. I thought by now you have grown to get wiser than before. You will never want to hear. Any day something will happen to you in this night bus, you will not hear me cry for you. You tell me, say one ship is bigger than a big 3-story building. Say, that. Why is he arguing that thing? The child in him was not educated about sheep. So the child take over. We talk about size of sheep. The child will say, no. We know how size be. You could use one thing where they take fish for apple. They take, compare sheep. Or maybe has seen pontoon one day pass in front of one river and they come. You say, so that's so sheep they be now. Wow. So that child that was not educated in him will keep on arguing the size of airplane till tomorrow, size of ship till tomorrow, because the child is still controlling. So any area of your life you allow the child to control, he will mess up things, make noise, break things, because children break things very easy. So while you are waiting, allow the child in you to sit down, take it to sit down first, that you are not matured. How do you get matured? Not by peers, by adding something new to what you used to know, so that the knowledge in you will increase until you move to a place where you stay with your spouse. After 40 years, your spouse will say something. Sometimes they talk like children. That's what the child spoke inside the person. You get it now? So every human being has a child and a man in him. While waiting for the things you are believing God to come, don't allow that child to decide what to do that time. If you allow him, he will quit, because children does not do things for a long time. Children don't do things for a long time. They always try to do something new. Mommy, buy me shoe. You buy her shoe, she'll go out and wear it in hand, keep it in the bag, play football with ordinary leg. He will fall on the ground, clean his hand in his tummy. After he said, the clothes is dirty, he begins to clean the clothes again with the same hand. That is children. They want to fix problem, they cause another problem. Trying to solve problem as a child will make you create another problem. So Paul said, when I was a child, I think, reason, some things come into your head about people. Are you sure person didn't make money from abroad or without carrying somebody's money around anyway? That is child thinking. Make I marry now. If I marry, make I settle down. If I marry, make I child thinking. Which is settle down. Let's settle down. Since I settle God down. Don't be sad, I don't know how down every day. So make I marry, settle down. He is also. Are you still there? Yeah. Make I marry and settle down. No, it should be make I marry and carry my cross. So all this child thinking, you should remove them when you are waiting. If to say I get 50,000 now, my problem will not finish now. Child, because people who have 50,000 are still on Okada, pursuing life. Those child thinking should be removed. Because not including the battle that followed that $50,000. Market now, if I just start one small shop now, I think before I make profit for 2 years, the shop will go boom, tight. It didn't include the trouble that follows the business. Because starting a thing is one thing, continuing it is in the midst of doing that, a lot of discouragement will come in. And this is the thing you're going to do for a long time. But just get 20,000 start business now. What is my problem? Child. So while waiting, remove all those, the one you can remember, I can't remember, just remember them. Remove them as you are waiting. Because they are not needed there. They are not needed. You need to think like a matured person. That life is progressive. Life requires me to put something in it every day. Life demands from me. Life will demand, if I'm married now, I need to pay your school fees and to do this and to do this. So I have taken away the childish thinking and brought new idea of thinking of a man. To know that getting married is committing yourself into load. To back a baby. Say, I put up, they put for you. And before some months or 1 year, 2 years coming, your wife will turn back again and put another pikin on top of you. Am I kidding now? Before another year, you put another pikin again. So you need to bend like this so all the way to stand. First when they stand before. Because if you stand like this, the pikin go long. You go disturb others. So when they put the woman, you are still walking like, oh, just get married. Oh, my wife just pregnant. You are walking. When they put one pikin, you bend like this. And 2 years later, another pikin, you bend like this. And another pikin, you bend again. So if you keep on having children, the more you are, the person is bending. At the time, he start blaming in life that if no be say children's school fees, I don't know. This same man thought he will get married and settle. Papa died 30 years ago because 9 bent. He carried 9 load, 9 children put on top of his leg. As he bent, they bury him. Everyone stand up, walk out for their house. Because nobody, they don't bury anybody with my papa now. Once the man just died, they bury him. Everybody just run back. That day, you know that the man you are carrying can walk. Am I saying something now? Yeah, this is men's class. If you carry the man die, you go not say that to your wife who feel drive pick up. Mama started driving her pick up when my father. But when my father, you know they started drive pick up. Anything, you know this pick up, na motor okay. For that phone, na motor okay. If your husband just die now, you carry that phone enter road. Because now, to your things, whole family. So, if we are carrying this load, make we take someone that carry a more. But if you keep on bending, make it not us that you know the man again. You go take. You want to rest, they say, what are you wasting time for now? Bring school fees now, bring this one. Bring this one now, bring this one. You bend it again. Glory be to God. So, if you are married to settle down, you are still thinking like it's better you think like a man that can get into responsibility. 1 child, 1 school box, 1 lunch box, 3 school uniform, 2 children, 2 school box, lunch box, 6 school uniform, 3rd one, 6th one, 7th one, 8th one, 9th one, 10th one. Glory be to God. I just need to make you know that this life, sometimes you make fun of the devil. When the devil is attacking you, for you to front face, you make fun of him. I've learned that many years ago. I tried to make fun of the devil, and they have been working for me because I'm now thinking like a man. I know that getting married is a responsibility, not settling down. You get it now? That's why I'm thinking like a child. When you are getting married as a young lady, if I just marry now, I don't get problem again. That is thinking like a. But when you marry, you will see the man's real color. So you should get ready for what happened when you get there because no going back. Especially if in Africa. I don't have to go and call uncles that follow you to go and marry the wife to come again to go again. Go sit them back. Once you enter, you don't enter. The wife will bring her character, the man will bring her character, and they begin to blend now. Over carrot and pineapple together. Together. Anybody who say, hey, you're spending me, separate, do your own, find another person again, begin to blend. Because the one, the other one, you have to blend again. So you cannot make a marry as a young girl, so you can. It's thinking like if I could have children like my other friends, 2 girls, 2 boys, I don't get problem again. Thinking like because the person not telling you what the 2 boys and 2 girls is costing them. Take adult eye. Look into keeping that children, what it costs. When you are seeing people's outward appearance, use adult mind to think what should be going on inside. Because that one ain't kill man very much. The emotional load. Thinking like a child makes a man fall victim of life. So when you are calculating things as you are waiting, don't listen like a child. Listen like to know that what you planted cannot grow within 1 week. Once you have that adult reasoning, it will help you to carry yourself going and keep waiting. Meditate on the things of God. Study to show yourself approved. Get more skills as you are waiting, because you cannot fast forward God. You cannot fast forward God, and God can never be late. God can never be late. Even when your age is going, just keep thinking like a man, because God can give you speed. I believe one thing in life. I might not overtake you when you have a child before me. So I won't draw my son long, make it grow past you. But when it comes to financial overtaking, it's possible. Financial overtaking is possible. And when you start thinking like a man, you will know what I'm saying now, that overtaking financial is possible too. When I pray and I'm waiting, I know He will do it. Are you still there now? I know how God functions when it comes to giving man a financial blessing or material blessing, the way I know my name. Distance might be long, far, rugged and rough, but it is real. It is, if your name is Williams Jack in your passport, you still know your name. You are going as a William Jack Maxwell in your passport, but you know your name is Moye Chukwuemeka Okafor. Because even though you change your Maxwell, you still know your. I want you to know the happenings and doings of God in your life the way you know your name. People know me with Ifeanyi name. My name is also Stademma and Chukwuemezie. And also there are some names they call me when I was growing. And a few days in dream, one angel called me that name, Captain. I look back. I said, the person who called me this name must have known me during days of bricklaying. They used to call me Captain Chico. Captain. So even the angels that are following me, they know all these names. Even they answer where you don't show them, they know it. So you know your name. Know what God is about to do in your life, the more that you know your name. So as you are waiting, even when discouragement comes, you should be able to encourage yourself in the Lord.